Hello everyone, welcome to another lesson here at iFly English. Today we are going to look at two small but very important words, and these are so and such. We use these words to add emphasis to our words or sentences in English. We use them to make the meaning of our sentences stronger. The problem that a lot of English learners have with these words is that they don't really understand when to use them. And this is exactly what we're going to learn in today's lesson. So if you guys are ready, then let's get started. The meaning of so and such is very similar to words like really and very. For example, it was so beautiful. It was really beautiful. She has such a beautiful dress. She has a really beautiful dress. However, when you want to use so or such, you have to follow a very important grammar rule which says that we must use so with either adjective or adverb and such with noun or noun phrase. For example, it was so cold. You can run so fast. It was such a cold day yesterday. You are such a fast runner. As you can see, the noun phrase can include adjective or adverb in it. That's why you have to be very careful and add noun after such in your sentence. For example, my friend Tom has such an expensive phone. His phone is so expensive. Now I'm going to give you some examples to practice with. I'm going to say one sentence using the word so, and I want you to change this sentence using the word such. For example, she is so beautiful. She is so beautiful. Now, how can we change this sentence using the word such? We need a noun. She is such a beautiful girl. She is such a beautiful girl. Now, let's do the opposite. Now I'm going to say one sentence using the word such, and I want you to change the sentence using the word so. For example, he is such a generous man. He is such a generous man. Now let's change the sentence using the word so. He is so generous. He is so generous. That's it for today. Thank you for your attention. If you have liked the video, please don't forget to let me know in the comments below. I'll see you next time.